All right, so this is how to copy a quiz over from the LOR into the class. You can do this in any, it doesn't have to be in the same class. It can go from one class like an honors course to a regular course, or a regular course to an honors course. It can be anything you want. But first thing you have to do is you're going to have to save the quiz. So what I've just done is I've gone into, one of my contents. Let's go down. Let's go to one of my astronomy classes, or one of my astronomy sections. So I'm going to go to Unit 1. So I have a quiz that's called 4.01 Quiz the Sun. I'm going to click on that quiz. I'm going to go to Quiz Setup. I'm going to go to Add and Edit Questions. From that, I am going to push this Publish to LOR. But before I push that Publish to LOR button, I'm going to click the Sun. And what that clicking does is it basically highlights every question in that quiz. And it highlights that entire quiz because that's what you want to publish. Now, if you only want to publish or go into certain questions, you're going to, oops, I went into the wrong one. You're going to want to click this open, and then you would click each individual question. Or click that whole box to click the individual questions, and then go to Publish to LOR and click that button. So this is going to pop up, and you want to say, yep, I want to highlight all of those. I'm going to push Next. It's going to say title, and you want to put a special title in here because that's going to be a really hard title to search because it's not easy to search in the LOR. There's times where I've had to do the copy a couple times just to create a special name to easily find the quiz. So I'm going to call it the 4.01 quiz, 4.01 quiz, the sun. And you're going to have to search that exactly, and I'm going to put the same description in there. So the description and the quiz pop up. All right. Everything else looks good. I'm going to go ahead and say Publish to LOR. Now this is going to take a minute or two, and it saved it successfully. Here we go. Here's the minute or two. This is where it's processing and exporting it and putting it into that database. This does take a little while. There we go. So it's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Content. I'm just going to click Content because when you push that Done, it takes you to a weird screen. So here we are back in the content. Now you can go to your other class if you want, but I'm going to show you in the same section. So what you're going to do to put that LOR database into your class, you're going to go to Upload Create. You want a new quiz. I'm going to give this quiz the 1.0 quiz, since this is an example. And I'm going to push Publish. So once you push Publish, you want to go into Quiz Setup. In this Quiz Setup, you'll see Add and Edit Questions. And this is where you're going to select Import, and you want to import from the Learning Repository, or the LOR. Okay, and this is where you would search that name. So I said 4.01 Quiz the Sun. Let's see if it pops up. There's no results. 4.01 Quiz Search. Okay, see how all these different quizzes, here's the most recent. I did it today at 7:44 a.m. That sounds about right. But see how you have to search different things to get your quiz. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to push that. I'm going to push Select. And I'm going to push Done Editing. And then, set up your restrictions or whatever it is, your category, Unit 1, Unit whatever. This is where you go and you just set up the quiz in general to meet your specifications for that class. You push Save and Close. You come back to this main page and you will see that it's in there. So that is how you insert to the Learning Repository. Just email me if you have any questions, but hopefully this video helps.